Let's take a look what this is. If you guessed it's an engine stand, you guessed right. Let's go for a walk around. So what's so unique about this engine stand? Well, firstly, you've got a home for those dead blocks now at your window. So it's got a cool factor about it. On top of that, it's now functional. This is going to be one of the easiest engine stands you've ever used. It's got our mechanics brake quick mount system on here. So you mount the plate to the engine, and then you mount the whole engine and plate together on here. So it's a removable engine plate. We make them to suit all sorts of engines and also universal. And we use a decent sized gearbox on here to handle the torque of the engine. And we use the cordless tool to rotate. There you go.